it's Jean with another ATC card. So, of course, we're using our Dollar Tree memory matching game cards as our base. I think I already did a rainbow. Let's go ahead and do a sun. And I like to leave this back, and then I decorate this side. So we don't know where we're going with this yet, but I do love the paper that I made here. I have that paper on my Etsy shop along with a bunch of others. This is part of a Memories and More kit from Stampin' Up, and I think that's what I'm going to do my base as. So we're going to go ahead, and you know, the thing about these ATC cards, when you don't know exactly what you're going to do yet, you kind of put things down, and then you never know what all is going to get covered up. It could be a little bit of this and a little bit of that, but let's go ahead and put these down. I try and line it up the best I can so that I don't have to cut a bunch, and then I still can use this for other stuff. So I'm kind of using this as a background paper to start with. And they've got some little curved corners, so I need to make sure those curves get cut out. And there we go. And when I cut a little bit too close there, but we're going to end up covering that up anyway, so I'm not too worried about that. I am going to take, well, I was going to take this, but I think I'm going to save that for another one because I was going to cut it up, and I already have some other pieces here that I could cut up. So we'll just cut like this. And then I think I'm going to take a piece of this. And cut that as well. Then I'm going to cut this off because it already has some tape from the other day when I was showing you how to make tape. Okay, that'll work. So I'm going to take a little bit here. I'm going to put that on here. And I'm going to go over a little bit so you could see. I'm finally kind of understanding how this type of project and paper craft works, and I'm loving it. I think I'm going to cut a little bit there because I don't need it all. And this one I'm going to go above because I don't like that corner there, and I don't need it to be that long. So this definitely keeps your hands busy, so I like that. And as you can tell, you don't need a lot of space because this, I'm literally on, it's like, yeah, it's like that long. And then it's even shorter this way. So there's so many different ways you can go with this, but I was looking, because I don't have a lot of stickers and stuff, and I was looking at this that says Be Fearless here. So I thought that would be good. There's also this one that says City Chic, but this doesn't go real city-y. And now that I'm telling you, I'm like, oh, is that what I want? So we will see. Yeah, I think I'm going to stick with this. And I do still have a little bit of color here. And so we'll turn a little bit of these. Give a little bit of color here because the color is kind of blue. take and stick this one on there. So it says be fearless on here. And then I want to get this little chickadee right here. Just like that. I didn't see if I had anything on here. There was this cute little guy here that I thought about, but I'm not gonna use that one. But I do have some of these really pretty flowers in here that I thought would look nice. Like that. I'm loving this, really. And I'm going to take a different flower here. I'll put that right up here. And now I'm going to look. I'm just looking through my stickers real quick and seeing. I usually have like some Tim Holtz sayings, but I don't have them here, so I'm thinking they should be in here somewhere. Ooh, this is a nice one. Where did it go? Here it is. It says, it's okay. So I love this. It says, be fearless, and I'm going to put on here, it's okay. So it says, it's okay, be fearless. And now we're going to go ahead and put a little bit, since I've got that orange, grab this. Adding a little bit of touches here and there, and then I'm going to add some color, and I think I'm going to go with this blue because she has some pretty blue there. We're just going to give this a nice outline here. And that's where I cover up any mistakes that I've made here. And I'm just making it a little thicker because I want it to be just a little bit thicker there. And there we go. Let me know what you think. I think it is super cute and it's fun just to do a little piece of art. All right, beauties. I hope you have a wonderful day and I'll talk to you later. Bye.
watching me make something. Then subscribe to my channel.